Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. Today's video, we're going to discuss Anova Precision Oven versus Breville Smart Oven Air. Watch until the end to determine which is the better oven. So the main difference between the Anova Precision Oven and the Breville Smart Oven Air is their cooking technology. The Anova Precision Oven uses a combination of steam and convection cooking to cook food. On the other hand, the Breville Smart Oven Air uses multiple cooking methods, including convection, air frying, dehydrating, and more. Therefore, the Breville Smart Oven Air is better because it has a broader range of cooking technology. Size. The Breville Smart Oven Air is large and can comfortably accommodate and cook a 14-pound turkey. Because it has an interior dimension of 18.5 inches wide by 16 inches depth and 11 inches height. On the other side, the Anova Precision Oven can fit a 12-inch pizza or a 4-pound chicken because its interior dimensions are 16.7 inches wide by 17.7 inches deep and 14.8 inches high. The Breville Smart Oven Air is better because it can cook bigger meals. Preset functions. The Breville Smart Oven Air has multiple preset cooking functions that make cooking various meals easier. Conversely, Anova Precision Oven has limited preset functions, making cooking various meals inconvenient. The Breville Smart Oven Air is better because it's easier to use when cooking various meals due to the many preset cooking functions. Price. The Breville Smart Oven Air is slightly more expensive than the Anova Precision Oven. Therefore, the Anova Precision Oven is better because it's more affordable. Comparison table. Based on the table, the Breville Smart Oven Air has more significant advantages than Anova Precision Oven. The advantages include various cooking technology, a bigger size, and multiple preset cooking functions. Anova Precision Oven's price is slightly lower. Similarities. The Breville Smart Oven Air and Anova Precision Oven are high-end countertop ovens with advanced cooking features and technology, and they offer efficient and versatile cooking options. Both ovens can bake, roast, broil, and toast, and offer additional cooking methods like air frying and dehydrating. Verdict. So which one is better? The Breville Smart Oven Air is better because of its variety of cooking technology, bigger size, and multiple preset cooking functions. Anova Precision Oven's price is slightly lower. Hey, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel. Hey, and also let us know which other comparisons you would like to see next from us. Thanks for watching.